To be a successful chemistry student, it is imperative that you post a periodic table above your bed on the ceiling, so that every morning when you wake up, you may view this table and quiz yourself on elements. Every morning when you wake up, look at the table and ask yourself if you know every single element on the table. This will be good preparation for the AP exam and the rigorous tests given during the class. Another essential element to being a good chemistry student is to wake up every morning at 3 in the morning so that you have enough time to go to school and study for chemistry. Most students study an average of 12 hours a day in AP Chemistry, so it is imperative that you wake up at this time so that you have enough time to study over your day. If you don't wake up at this time, you'll be wasting precious moments of your day. This student, as you can see, has already wasted 5 minutes. What a shame. Probably the most important component of your life as a chemistry student is your textbook. This is your chemistry textbook. It holds the answers to everything you will ever want to know in life, including how to ace the exam and how to build your own house. Everything you will ever need to know, all in this handy-dandy little textbook. Not so little. You should go everywhere with your textbook. The bathroom, into bed, parties, your friend's house. It really doesn't matter. Your textbook is your life. If you were to lose your textbook, your life would end, basically. Your textbook has everything you need, and it's important that you bring it everywhere you go so that you don't lose it. Or, in the case that someone else steals it, you're around to protect it. When people try to steal your book, it's important to show that it means a lot to you. So if anybody ever tries to rob your book, which is quite common, throw them on the ground and beat them so that they know not to mess with you and your precious book. After studying chemistry for upwards of 12 hours, it is possible that you may feel some fatigue. If you must fall asleep, remember to fall asleep with the chemistry book in your hands so that nobody can harm your precious book. As a student in AP Chemistry, you will be devoting so much time to studying that you will not have time for friends or extracurricular activities. It is important that you eliminate these trivial things so that you can focus on your studies. While this may seem strange, here are some prime examples of how to do so. By following these examples, you will be set to do well in chemistry.
Yo, what's up, Rishi? You studying for the chem test tomorrow? No? Why not? You're having a party? Rishi, you know I should be studying for the chem test and I can't come to your party, man. Alright, have fun, Rishi, but I need to study. Okay, bye.
Yo, Hayden, Rishi's coming over to play some basketball. You want to join?
Can't. I have to study.
What exemplary students! You would do well to learn from them. But in addition to eliminating your social life, it's a good idea to do at least 5 hours of practice problems and reactions a day. Use a clock to time yourself. Doesn't time fly when you're having fun? In no time, you'll be done. So, what have we learned? To be a successful chemistry student, you should 1. Post a periodic table over your bed. 2. Wake up at 3 in the morning every day to go practice at school. 3. Not let your textbook leave your sight and treat it like it is the most dear thing to you. 4. Eliminate your social life and all extracurricular activities. And 5. Do a lot of practice problems and reactions. 5 hours of them a day. If you want to be a good chemistry student, just follow those simple guidelines.
Not.
While these previous suggestions may seem plausible from stories you may have heard from people who have taken the class, or from just plain old rumors about AP Chemistry, the truth is, you really don't need to do this stuff to do well in chemistry. However, chemistry is not a walk in the park and not crazy explosions and stuff you'd see on TV. It's a real class like math or any other science you would take in the school. It may be one of the harder classes offered at Churchill, but that doesn't mean you have to kill yourself to do well in it. Here are some real tips on how to manage workload and stress so that you can be a good student in the class. First, you should read the textbook consistently and periodically. If you wait until the day before the test to start preparing, you're going to be royally screwed. In reality, it's a good idea to manage your time well so that you'll be prepared when test time comes. This means reading a few sections of the textbook every night, not overburdensome, but maybe half an hour, 45 minutes worth, so that over a course of a few weeks, you will have finished all the textbook reading. Second, you want to keep all papers organized and filed so they can be easily found when needed. This way, if you need to reference a paper or anything from the class, you can find it easily and not waste time looking for it. A lot of time will be given in class to work on AP problems and homework sets, or just to read the textbook. Be sure to use this time wisely. Work with your friends or peers to tackle all the problems and finish all the assignments. That way you won't have to stress out about it when you get home and have less time to do it. It's really important that you use all the time given in class to work on all the AP problems given and all the sets. We hope these tips will help you over the year. Good luck and have fun.